Welcome guys, so today I am with the Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 and I'm going to show you how easy you can enable or disable the low audio latency. So at the first we have to open the Huawei AI Live application and select your FreeBuds Pro 2. If you don't know how to connect them, just take a look on our tutorial on the YouTube channel. The next step, we have to scroll down and find the settings. And right now, find this option, dynamic latency. This option will be automatically switched to low audio latency mode when games are launched to the reduced audio delay. So click here, and as you can see, this feature is enabled. But what is interesting, I'm gonna show you right now on my private smartphone, that this feature looks a little bit different on my private smartphone. So take a look. When I open the FreeBuds on my Asus and find the settings, as you can see, it's called the low audio latency, and the description is a little bit different. But yeah, that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.